Hey everyone, Julian here. Today I'm going to be playing Squash the Bird. It's here. Squishy Bird. So, you know that everyone hates Flappy Bird. So today I'm going to be playing to squish it. But before this video even starts, please subscribe and like this video and tell your friends about it. And tell my channel. So my record I already played is 500C. I'm going to try beating that today. Let's go. I'm going to try. Let's do this. Oh, Jesus. No, not even one bird could pass. Stupid thing. Oh, that was sucky round. Shit, what the heck? Oh, okay. This is bad. Okay. What the? Did you see how much birds? Shit. Okay. One at a time. Shit. Oh, shit. Okay. This is apparently like Fruit Ninja. If you hit lava at a time, it gives you a lot of points. Oh my god! I don't care. Let's go. Okay, seriously? I'm okay on this round. I was about to say I'm okay on this round, but I lost. Shit. Seriously? Sniper? Everyone hates Flappy Bird. Ah, seriously? Oh my god. Okay, guys, everyone hates Flappy Bird. That's my trick, to spam it. That's actually my trick, to spam it. There, get a good off points. Jesus. Okay, come on. Come on. There you go. Spamming it! Okay. Well, that sucked. Okay. Come on. Spam it, spamming, guys. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Of course, I'm recording at night, so it's time to sleep. Last round, and I'm going to end out the video. So, come on, die. Everyone hates Flappy Bird. Oh, Jesus. The legs. No, I didn't beat my record. Wait, actually, I might lose. No.
Let me try.
No. I'm ending the video here. Whoops. After this round. Shit, okay. Darkness 833 is going to play. The last round he's going to play.
What's going on, guys? Darkness 833 here and playing.
It's still the same video.
This guy's channel.
Jesus, still the same video. Yeah, you suck at this game. I was just have an idea. Wait, actually, I'm going to do it last round. I want to test something. Wow, this thing sucks.
Fudge!
Okay. I want to actually try something. Guys, I'm trying something. Guys, look what I'm going to try.
Hit my thing and then...
Ready? No. Okay, I thought you could hold it down and like block it. Don't.
That's what they do for church. What's that? What kind of grenade is that?
Shit. Okay. So guys, we're gonna end out the episode here because sorry this wasn't long, but I wanted to, but to make this long because all the YouTubers have long videos, but now it's not. So sorry guys.